inside and open and making the catch, and that's a first down. Gabriel, Trey Waynes covering on the play. He's gone to 5 different receivers tonight. Gabriel 3 times. Great protection here.
There he goes.
Scrambles away. Off to the races. Slides to a stop at the 48-yard line. 1, Trubisky 2. Deep drop here. Slipping up in the pocket. He's going to go again. And slides to a stop at the 39-yard line.
Philadelphia and Kansas City.
2nd and 2. Trubisky. Another. Cone splits wide right. Trubisky rolling that way. Keeps his eyes downfield. Throws a little low, and it is Anthony Miller in the end zone for the touchdown.
There we go. Has become a force. We saw him in training camp. I think he scooped that off the ground there.
Trubisky rolling, firing, caught for 2. Josh Bellamy